was because she was a dirty old witch and she wanted to kidnap children and make them upset. I mean, sometimes I was writing it down, but I was doing it in my mind. As soon as I get the story, I jot it down. I didn't understand the last part of the flow of the story part. I didn't understand.
Now we are going to practice if they can be even better.
But keep the mission in a little secret until the end of the story. Yes, that's another way of writing. And one more thing is that how did Michael get into trouble? That's the point. Every day, all the time. I know it's never going to be one because narrative and descriptive are in all my stories. It's never going to be one. The adventure in this story, it wasn't fantasy either because this could happen in real. And then after that, I think that why will the setting be? And then the characters, I think, and then after that I make the plot.
Adya's interview that we had in our latest iNTELLYJELLY edition. So how was your experience of giving this interview in iNTELLYJELLY and seeing the interview come out?
I am happy to see it here.
This July edition of iNTELLYJELLY is there on all the digital platforms, including Reliance Jio, which has readership of about 43,000 readers across India. We have on Kindle, we have on Google Books. Everywhere they are able to read your interview, Adya. This interview which you are seeing here.